Hello, my name is Vedant. I am a legal intern with LEXIS and Company. In this video, we will discuss about will a habeas corpus or can a habeas corpus petition lie against a remand order? The Supreme Court in a recently held HCan judgment answered this question: can a habeas corpus petition lie against a remand order? So the Supreme Court recently made these observations that habeas corpus petition against a remand order will be maintainable on the ground that the remand is absolutely illegal or the remand is afflicted with lack of jurisdictions. These observations were made while considering the appeal filed by Gautam Navlekha seeking default bail in Bhima Koregaon case. The appeal was against the order passed by the Delhi High Court in the habeas corpus petition filed before it. The house arrest period was declared to be unlawful custody by the Delhi High Court as it had found his arrest and remand to be illegal. The High Court has also observed that the time spent in unlawful custody cannot be included while computing the 90-day period prescribed for the grant of default bail. The court drew support from the decision of the Supreme Court, which is reported in Changnati Satyanarayan and others versus State of Andhra Pradesh. It was contended that in case of the appellant, both the conditions were fulfilling, having regard to the fact that the appellant stood arrested on 28/8/2018 and he was produced before the magistrate for the remand. It was next contended that the fact that the High Court of Delhi finally set aside the said remand and held that the detention was illegal was an untenable ground to hold that there was no remand under section 167 of the CRPC. The Supreme Court further observed that thus the Supreme Court Supreme Court judgment consists of the benches of Justice U. Lalit and K.M. Joseph, which observed that we would hold as follows. If the remand is absolutely illegal or the remand is afflicted with the wise lack of jurisdiction, a habeas corpus petition would indeed lie. Equally, if an order of remand is passed in an absolutely mechanical manner, the person affected can seek the remedy of habeas corpus. Barring such situation, a habeas corpus petition will not lie. Take a case where a police custody is ordered by the magistrate by an interim order of the High Court. Let us take it the High Court provides for judicial custody. It is done after the accused undergoes police custody for 5 days. Finally, the writ petition is however dismissed. In such a case where there is no stay of investigation and in fact even the police custody was obtained and thereafter the High Court, after looking into the records, also find that the petitioner should only be continued in the modified form of remand, the custody which is undergone under an order of the court being also during the investigation, which the investigation is also not says ought to be counted. Now, though the CRPC will not apply to a writ petition, what is required to include custody under section 167 is that the detention brought about by the court ordering it during the investigation into an offence. It is a matter which will turn on the facts and depends on the facts and circumstances of each case. The court had further observed that the 34 days which Navlekha had spent under house arrest between August 28, 2018 to October 10, 2018 cannot be used to calculate his total detention period, especially since his arrest as well as the magistrate transit remand was found to be illegal by the Delhi High Court. The bench, with the help of precedents, held that if the remand is absolutely illegal or the remand is afflicted with the vast lack of jurisdiction, a habeas corpus petition would indeed lie. Equally, if an order of remand is passed in an absolutely mechanical manner, the person affected can seek the remedy of habeas corpus petition. Barring such situation, the habeas corpus petition will not lie. Therefore, The Supreme Court has answered in affirmative that a habeas corpus petition can lie against a remand order if there is a patent lack of jurisdiction or the remand order is absolutely illegal. Thank you.